I'm near the Baku Square. I think so I'm here now in the Fountain Square. So this is how it looks like. So actually, I'm just waiting for the tourist guide to do the Baku free walking tour. So the meeting place will be here in front of KFC Pizza Hut. So let's just wait for a while for them to come. Then we will start my first day here, a tour in Baku, Azerbaijan.
In any part of the world. So basically guys in the Baku, they went to the Europe and saw the building in the area. They liked it and they just stayed at home.
I'm here in the mud volcano because I get scared. See, you hear the sounds. Suddenly it might erupt and I'll be one. Oh my god, you hear that? So after this is my last day, so I'm back here at the park, Nazing Park. It feels good kasi malamig yung hangin, ang sarap tambayan dito. So even if you're alone, it's feeling the peaceful. So parang pantanggal stress. So see, this is the park. Okay, tambay-tambay ka dito, walang problema. Yan. So, ang sarap kasi malamig. I mean, may araw, pero malamig. It's so different. And, ang daming tao, at saka very convenient on my place. So, kaya, ang sarap maglakad. So, kahit ilang beses akong nawawala, this is my third time to come here, pero nawawala pa rin ako. So, well, maybe I have to learn to use my Google Map, even though accessible siya, pero wala. Wala talaga akong sense of direction. So, I hope I'm gonna enjoy my last day. Bye. Here at Baku. Here at Bella Pizza. And, I hope there's so many places today. I'm going to visit again. I went to the grocery store to buy some wine. So now I'm having my breakfast. Finished already check-in, so I'm just waiting for my boarding. 9:20, it's still 8, so I still have time for my breakfast. So I'm here having my breakfast. Later I'm gonna buy some snacks before heading to the breakfast. And so that's it for now. It's very nice. It's